Dallas, you are now on video for what is almost certain to go onto my YouTube channel.
Incredible.
Dallas was lucky enough here to decrypt the message hidden in my last few videos and win, for his subscriber special, a backpacking trip out into the woods. And Dallas, tell him how you did it.
It's very simple. You just have to read between the lines. It was just these little tiny little things that you thought were typos in the description, but I saw through it.
And if you had appropriately ID'd the birds in bird battles, that would have been a major giveaway. But only Dallas got it, so here we are. All right, it is day 2. And Dallas, what are we doing now?
We have to cross the river.
One of many, or maybe one of like 3. But here we go. And Dallas will go first so that if he falls or it's too cold, I will turn around. But this thing is,
cold.
Yeah, that's what I figured. The goal is to make it to that tree. I'm gonna bring my finger into view. Oh, wow. Right above my finger. The wonders of technology. But yeah, we'll get out there. Either we will make it or we won't. Good luck, Dallas. I'll be right behind him. I do too.
Don't quote me on that, though.
Dallas says it's the devil's fingers.
I'm not sure. It just looks like it.
Fungus. We'll confirm later, and I'll put a big message on this part of the video if he's wrong or right. But very interesting. It looks like Cheetos emerging from the earth.
Doesn't look like fire.
No, I think they just, well, I mean, that looks like fire.
Yeah, that's the old fire.
But yeah, this is really empty. Damn.
Kind of freaky.
Big rocky river.
This would be a perfect spot to stay.
Dallas, any words for the folks at home?
Wilderness.
Yeah, apparently we're in the largest wilderness this side of the Mississippi. We're very proud of that. Blackberry bushes, although they're green, and then they'll be red, and then much later they'll be black. You're at the second river crossing. And that is the trail. Tadpoles? Oh, I see them, yeah. Such a pretty stretch of river. Our trail is up that way. This is a nice spot.
Very cool.
It's getting loud. We may have reached our destination over there, or there's an airplane and we haven't. Dallas, any thoughts for the folks at home?
No.
Okay. Well, to the falls. Down there is the falls. I actually want to get up here too. Ooh. This is day 2. We have come to our conclusion for hiking. Then maybe 6 miles, 7 miles. We don't know exactly, but around there. And we are both pooped. It was tough hiking today. There's our tent. Dallas is somewhere back there. But we'll round it out tomorrow and then call it a day. Okay, Dallas, we're on day 3.
Day 3.
Here's our campsite. How you feeling?
A little sore, but still doing okay.
Me too. But not too bad overall. Nice wilderness out here. We have seen 8 people so far.
Over the course of 2 days.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Oh, you can hear the... We may be crossing again, Dallas. Yep. Hey, but this may be the last one. Hello. We just finished, Dallas.
We did.
Any final words?
I'm tired.
Me too. But it was a very nice trip. Until next time.